kan hun je ki seng bat ki kan hun ki bape ki bape ki kam sangkai pathai hapo ka jala la ni ki tour operators kala premjor ja ka jingle ja ka seng achune f hak bakala bat ki kali tourist ki bawan nashabar jala menta ka si hapo Umtyngngar laban kdo hangni ba menta ka si ka seng achune f kala bat ki kali ki bawan nashabar jala kamta me ki kali tourist ki bawan le chipo sara ba kumur ki batu benda chipo dauki uba alan was we ni kini lam je kan hun ula ong ba ni ka jingle Ktah sibun ya kam sangkai peteh ka jelah ka baki kena sam ke beladap kasang ban kiwa nei nak di Jingjia ka ba khendap ka baja tang sisien ka ban Ktah sibun ya kam sangkai peteh ka jelah
Meglia Rural Tourism Forum ya shong ne krui mta si ban pau ya jing so pendit to bakra ba jing so si ru alor jing jam ne ba umpoi perhan community ba hakan ne jing Sultanat dengan ni kayu tourism kewalaja antara bun snem ya keba baro ini sutru ikata kajing sultanat belum halor kijing muntoy bangiyo akan ikam livelihood kam kajam keba kibri kiyo amba kan ikam sakai perthai tinrei kajing ja hne kalong bathe umbuja ya boro khoi kibe trade dengan ikam but ida pan pawe kajing persyak bajur bede bat ka jingle jong katu seng ba syukur tlek untuk step syubat iki beri stengti ba songsi kalong ba bankong pen iya ka jinglong klep akor ka jingle joki ba jutep khantam katu jingjia ka de hakrdop sa sora ka ba pauna menam ka jingdon akor tin ka jingle ni tu seng ka pen pau ka jinglong klep akor ba ka ai ka image ba sniu ndei syu tang ya ka sora ndei ka state por koi sia ka pthai sabar kumala ong dei ba banlum bantai yang ni kayu tourism kum lagi bosuk simpor dari senam mangi batrai kan ni kami sungtu ba ndai magic musulek magic bakan long kum ni we have hop art we have slop but kumba kalong kum ni mentahi nganut pan ong ba kadai jing trace tom lagi kibri ba jadon pentah ni kam ada kilong ke Seng hotel ada kibri ke ba bu ya ke kanja kibri banyak kali kibri be lam guide semua Maksudnya kan kam sakai perthai mta ka ikam ki local jungi. It's all about local livelihood. Ban yale akai kumni ba kan kam kumni long Jingjia basungsi. Hoi ki issue ba per ki don ki seng balang ki don la ka jong ka hok ban ris ki concern joki tang ba ka don ka rukom ne. Ban chube yu bri siteng ti kemot kemo ya fi sien kapen isi dor ya ka jinglong jungi bat ka reflect ya kedua ke bas news ya kiwi pat ki benta jang perthai ha ka juk social media mta pher tuk tiak tang de second kubol apoi keleng perthai ya ka buram ka pangiri boros kata ngi chun spoil tang ka po clip mat mod de ke bas news ha da kerpat nang ni sakhmat ndai tang ya to seng kiwi ki seng ru ba pile aku mikini kam da perkhat sangi perkhat jengai ba ka repercussion ka di ka benjengai ngayo kol keleng menta naki thain no kendong jengi naki beri kelapun pau ke jing bitar awi re kan ke Jingjia ne si de hop bakin bitar nomor la Ktah jak po joki ham tam ha kan ke juk ke ba mo ka pangi perkhat man phai kham bha se ki kam ki tolong sustainable na ong to nya sange no ti mau to nya sange no ti mau syun re syudon bok ba Blay ruda it kerpang yang ni hari khasi jungi bau ai nak we gejing khu bau ai makan long jaka ka itana de we ni resource ba ibri gila ban sim ko bui kan ni ban kamai kendong jak bo tin rei sothu kan ba ha ba ibri gila le sitom kum ni nga keren ha be de ba ibri ba invest ha kino kendong ya kino kendong ban sim lun silak arlak de kam de kam basuk Baplikan rat kila sim lagi luan ban seng ki homestay ban seng ki dukan joki dai mungkin ki Jingjia mut penseir kama ja kapot joki tinak tradau da kerpat banang ni sakhmat kumo ong ki isu kinmi ki seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hok ban pau ki jing e joki le a kom ko badai berbor ka dong kom ban le kata ban asif yang ngono ke jing ni kan ngono ke jing kwa amdei ban shu le jubor kunto Ndai berbor hi kedai lembaga jing keren ke jing suthu bat ke jing penbet tak ba ya suthu lang iwe ni em ha kan ni jaka ka ba wat yu perkhat ngi la ban em non isolated Fikir mau hi berabor mangir dan tablet sore. Mana phone ki phone jangan pulih sabar. Wangi sos air marba yo sakta sengi ruki kasih ki basa sabar ke jela Meghalaya. Nak daw nga ong hi insist pa nang ni sakmat le daga jing sotu bat le daga jing kit kli. Bakai ke baja ni kala ban Ktah kala ong kertok kala segi student sungi basa sabar ke jela jing. Ka tourism kadai open business, open market. Nga sotu ka hok hi baong la dingi pendon kami ke resource jungi badi ke jela jungi sodon hok hi sia bagin kamai shua ki try jungi mo try jela tian rek ada kom
long term impact, because these kind of things, they don't impact only a short period of time, but it is a long term. And people come to the state, they plan their holidays coming to the state, they book their flights, they think. So what happens if now the season is coming? Now season is coming, the next 1 to 2 months the season coming, and it will last till the New Year's. And in this season, if they started withdrawing, start going to other destinations, then there will be a substantial loss of footfall in Meghalaya. That is, we are afraid. And once you lose that kind of group in one season, it may occur in other seasons also. So these are the things which we feel that. That's why we feel that what happened, one action like whatever happened today, it can create an impact over a longer period, a very long period, and to take that away, and then that is little difficult for us, because we'll have to go a long way. Again, we'll have to go with all the social media, all our marketing strategies. Again, we have to divert everything for this thing.
It has happened actually. It's happened in the previous years. If you recall the other incidents in Ichamati, the other incidents in Motran, we have lost a lot, and it took us a real. It took us so much to recover from these losses, and the normalcy is not there again as it used to be. And tourists, they get frightened, they get scared, and instead of coming here, they're going somewhere else to Thailand, to other places.
Yeah.
Arunachal is coming up, and then
Yeah, because the other destinations are picking up now. So what we are losing now, we may lose for years together, because other destinations will take as a good opportunity for them to take away the tourists from Meghalaya and to take to their place. And once tourists start visiting other destinations, it will be difficult for those tourists again to come back to Meghalaya. And then the lots of they're getting good publicity. So then that is what we are afraid of.
One related question.
Yes.
What is your overall larger opinion on the demand for ILP and MRSSA?
That I don't think is something to discuss here.
Whether it will impact or not, impact
Yeah.
the tourists.